only.
Habanero mango chili sauce.
Hey everybody, I'm Guy Fieri and we're rolling out. Looking for America's greatest diners, drive-ins, and dives.
This trip,
Epic.
we're pairing up with some dynamite duos.
Sounds good.
In Manhattan's East Village,
Oh, smell this.
the brother and sister team
Looks kind of like a hip-hop boy band.
showing off their wings
These are going to be outrageous. I can already tell.
and exposing their necks.
Top 3 best go dishes I've ever had.
In Miami, Florida,
So you're an inventor.
a sibling operation with a tasty sense of tradition.
My parents are great cooks, and my grandparents were even better cooks.
And in Eureka, California,
Is this really how big this thing is?
one couple gives it all up
So you guys have taken a gigantic leap of faith.
to tap into their own particular passion.
Creole Mediterranean fusion. That's all right here, right now, on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. So I'm here in New York City in the East Village. Now this is pretty familiar territory for Triple D. Let's see, we got the Redhead, we got the Brindle Room, and of course, John's on 12th right down the street here. Now we're here to check out a joint where brother and sister have partnered up with some buddies, and they got this restaurant with a pretty eclectic menu. This is Dog's Eatery.
Living up life. Can you take picture?
Everything is just
Take
pretty much
picture?
untouchable.
Crispy pig ear lettuce wraps definitely flies under the radar.
Not for long. Word about this